Teachers, they can be termed as mentors or guide. But for me, all my teachers are artists. They fill their life of their students with colors and happiness. I, on behalf of everyone from Sacred Heart Kindergarten School, would like to wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Enjoy the day and keep doing the good work. Thank you.
Kids, how are you all? I'm your teacher Gaganjot, and today we are celebrating Teacher Day. So I have come with a new rhyme for your teacher. I hope you will enjoy it. So for this rhyme we are using puppet theatre. Are you ready for this? Let's see.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Ryan. I came here to wish you a very happy Teacher's Day. Thank you, Rehan. How are you? I am alright, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to learn a new rhyme for you. I want to dedicate that rhyme to you. Do you help me? Yes, Rehan. I will surely help you. Shall we start, Rehan? Yes, ma'am. Okay, you speak with me. Okay, Rehan? Yes, ma'am. I love my teacher, oh yes I do. My teacher is the best one. Teacher, Teacher, and teacher is her name. Oh, do you want to repeat, Rehan? Yes, ma'am, once more. Okay, let's start. I love my teacher, she is the best. My teacher is the best one. Teacher, Teacher, and teacher is her name. Oh, thank you.
Gagal man, happy Teacher Day.
Love you.
Love you. मैं LKGH. मैं miss you to my day. मैं miss you to my day. Happy and very Teacher's Day. Thank you. Hi ma'am, I'm Rajkot. Today I'm going to sing the song of Happy Teacher's Day. My teacher, I love you, I know you love me, but I love you so much because you read too much. I love my teacher, I love my teacher at all. I love my teacher, I love my teacher. My teacher are beautiful, my teacher are beautiful. My friend, my teacher are beautiful. They are my friend. I say thank you. And I say hello. My name is Rudraj Singh from UKGN. Happy Teacher's Day! Happy Teacher's Day! Happy Teacher's Day to all my teachers! Happy Teacher's Day! Happy Teacher's Day! Happy Teacher's Day to all my teachers! You are my role model. You are my role model. You are my right of life. You are my right of life. I love you, teacher. I love you, teacher. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day.
Not only my teacher, you are only my friend, guide.
Teacher's Day. Oh my teacher, lovely teacher, I love you, and I know you love me too, Yes, I do, You are so nice, you are so kind, and I something teaching us new. Come to say thank you. I thank you. Thank you.
Ma'am, thank you.
Ma'am, thank you. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. All my teachers, you're my best friend. You're my role model. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. All my teachers, thank you. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. All my teachers. You are my best friend. You are my gift from God. You are my role model. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day to all my teachers. I love you, teacher. I thank you, teacher. Best teacher goes to Amandeep ma'am. Please big clap for Amandeep ma'am. Hello ma'am, my name is Aisha. I study in UKDC. I'm talking about teacher. My teacher name is Manju Verma. My teacher is the best. They never ever rest. They work hard day and night to make us bright. Thank you. My name is Avian Naloya. Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day to all my teachers. You are my best friend. You are my best friend. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day to all my teachers. You are my role model. You are my role model. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day to all my teachers.
I love you, my teacher.
I love you, my teacher. I love you, my teacher.